Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the details of the Xitomer Chain Guard, specifically designed for the DR650 models from 1996 to 2022. Crafted from durable aluminum alloy, this chain guard not only offers robust protection but also adds a sleek touch with its black CNC machined anodized finish. Installation is a breeze, as it comes with all the necessary bolts, ensuring you can easily fit it onto your bike without the need for any additional instructions. This chain guard is engineered to withstand the rigors of the road, providing reliable protection for your chain while enhancing the overall look of your motorcycle. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast or a daily commuter, the Xitomer Chain Guard is a must-have accessory for maintaining the longevity and performance of your DR650. Its precision design ensures a perfect fit, making it an essential upgrade for any rider looking to combine style with functionality. So, gear up and give your bike the protection it deserves with the Xitomer Chain Guard. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.